Hi everybody. Today I'm coming to you from a coffee shop, so I apologize for some of the ambient noise that's going to be in here, but I want to make sure that I support local. Okay, today's topic is about virtual workshops, virtual learning journeys, and I'm following up on Tom's video about virtual case studies. So in the past, these half-day or even full-day sessions took place the one day before the in-person conference. But because of the virtual nature of this year's event, they're available all throughout January as 2 to 4 hour deep dives into developing new skills or competencies, sharing unique narratives, and exploring important topics. So let's talk about those just real quickly. Virtual learning journeys are great ways to explore entrepreneurial ecosystems and show off what you have going on and tell the narratives that are meaningful and interesting and will help build understanding in other contexts. Virtual workshops are for developing skills, delving into important topics, and even starting certificate programs. So for example, the prison entrepreneurship program, and potentially something like being a better adjunct instructor. So then, as Tom mentioned in a previous video, virtual case studies are explorations into the context of a given case study, the case study subjects. And authors can build a community of educators who are using that case, and participants will be able to connect with others who are using the case and learn from them. So I'm hoping that you are interested in submitting an idea for one of these virtual workshops. Maybe it's a group of you submitting an idea for one of these virtual workshops. The deadline is October 4th for the initial submission, and those that are selected will work with us to develop out a more detailed plan. And we're really looking forward to having a good mix of about 15 to 20 different workshops that are absolutely killer. Okay, so I hope your semester is going well. Reach out if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.